Morning everybody, today we're going to do play your cards right. We're going to take it all in turns, we're going to let you guys at home have a try as well, okay? We're going to do it nice and slow. So let's start off with the team here guys. Do you think this is going to be higher or lower than the 5 of hearts?
Higher!
Lower!
Higher! Higher!
What do you think guys? What we're going to choose, we've got 2 for higher. Let's turn it over, see if they're right.
Yay!
Did you get it right? Let's try the next one. Higher or lower than the Jack of Spades? What do we think?
Lower!
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 What do you think guys? Do you think it's lower? Do you think it's higher? Shall we have a look? Here we go. Oh! Ace high. Shall we put new cards in? Ace low. Do you want ace low? Do you want ace? Right, okay. Ace low. So is it going to be higher or lower than the ace?
Higher!
What do you think? Higher or lower? Higher. Right, let's turn over. You ready, guys? 1, 2, 3. Well done. 6 of hearts. So, middle card. What's it going to be this time? Higher or lower than the 6 of hearts? What do you think, guys?
Lower!
Oh. What do you
Higher!
think? Higher. Oh.
Higher!
What do you think, guys? Higher or lower? Let's turn it over and see. Oh, same. Right, ready to take these all away? Well done. Let's again, we're going to get across to the end. Let's see if we can do it this time. New card. An 8. It's a middle card. You can change it if you wish.
Lower!
Change it. Want to keep it? Go lower?
Lower!
What do you think, guys? Do you want higher? We've got 2 lowers and 1 higher. What do you think, guys? Higher or lower? Let's turn over and see. Oh, 6 of clubs. Higher or lower than a 6 of clubs, guys? What do you think?
Higher!
Higher.
If you keep...
Hey. What do you think, guys? Is it going to be higher or lower? Ready? Here we go. 4 of clubs. So is that wrong?
Yeah.
Take them all away. Let's try again. King of Spades. What do you think?
Lower!
Lower? What do you think, guys, at home? Higher or lower? Let's turn over and see. 4 of Spades. Well done. Well done. Higher or lower than the 4 of Spades?
Higher!
Higher. What do you think, guys, at home? Higher or lower? Let's have a little look. Turn over. Oh, 9 of diamonds. Well done. We're getting across. Higher or lower than the 9 of diamonds?
Lower!
Ooh, low. What do you think, guys? Higher or lower? Right, let's have a little look. Here we come.
Whoa!
We're getting there, getting there. Higher or lower than the 8 of clubs?
Lower!
Higher.
Lower!
We've got 2 going.
Lower.
What do you think, guys? Higher or lower?
Lower!
Let's turn around. 2 for the higher. 3.
Yay!
Oh, coming along. Higher or lower than the 3 of clubs?
Higher!
Oh, what do we think, guys? Higher or lower? Ready? Let's turn it over. Oh! Oh, we've got to go back to the beginning. Nearly there. Did you guys get it right at home? Let's try again. Oh, Jack of Diamonds. Higher or lower than the Jack of Diamonds?
Lower!
What do you think, guys? Higher or lower? Turn it over. Oh, 3 of diamonds. Well done. What do you think next time? Higher or lower?
Higher!
Diamonds. What do you think, guys? Higher or lower? Ready? Turn it over. Oh, well done, well done. Higher or lower than the 4 of clubs?
Higher!
Ooh, what do you think, guys? Higher or lower? You ready? You got it right?
Oh!
So lucky. And again, higher or lower than a 5 of spades?
Higher!
What would you say higher? What do you think, guys? Higher or lower? Are you ready? 10 of clubs. Well done. Right, so this one, we're getting close to the end here. Higher or lower than a 10 of clubs?
Lower!
Lower.
Lower!
2 lowers and 1 higher. What do you think, guys? Oh, Do you think you get the next one? Higher or lower than the ace? The ace is low.
Higher.
Oh, are you sure, guys?
Higher.
Are you sure? Are you ready? What do you think, guys? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Joker.
Joker.